Hi, Parashon here, and in today's episode, I want to share with you how you can break through your business. So what do I mean by breakthrough? So let's say you've been selling online, you are selling say courses, books, or whatever product that you're selling. So when you first start, it goes like that, and it was doing great. You are growing, and then it reached a stage where it's called the ceiling. You just can't break through that ceiling and you don't quite understand why, and you try this approach, it didn't work, and then you try another approach and then it still didn't work, and then you continue to try to use different kind of approaches, trying to have this so-called this so-called breakthrough, right? So this has been the challenge for most businesses because they continue to try different approaches. Now that's not wrong, because they once say that Einstein once said that if you continue to do the same thing and you expect different results, that is called insanity, right? So because of that thoughts, many people try different approaches and so on. Now, I do some really mild jogging, like running. I'm not like a professional runner or anything like that. So I have this challenge to break through, I think, below 7 minutes for 3 kilometers or something like that, right? I can't really remember the exact number. I got to go and check my app to see what was my last stats. So I've been trying to pass that and I couldn't achieve that. I run about once or twice a week. So but one day, right, I try a different approach. So instead of running once or twice per week, what I did is that I run consistently day 1, day 2, and day 3, right? And you probably know where I'm going from here. And by day 3, I was able to run faster, in the sense that I was able to run in less than 7 minutes, which is nothing impressive, just so you know. People run much more than that, and they run like 5-6 kilometers. I just run like very, very mild 3 kilometers for that speed. And I was able to run more than that. And after that, I realized one thing, what I did differently, or should I say what I did nothing different, right? I was focusing on the key factor called consistency. So while trying different approaches is good and great, but sometimes all it takes is conditioning. So in business, there is also conditioning to take effects. So when you're selling, maybe this particular sales letter or your website needs more sample in order for them to figure it out. Or you're running Facebook ads. Maybe the ad needs to be run a bit longer for the algorithm to have favor for you in that sense, so that it suits your campaign. So going back to the running part, so as I was saying, I was running the same. By day 3, I have so-called built up my endurance, and what's really built up is not just the body, but it's the mind. It's the mind, because I was saying that, hey, you know what, I can do this. I'm going to get it done. So while strategies and everything else is important for you to have your breakthrough, but your mind must be also aligned with what you want to achieve. That your mind is saying that, hey, you know what, I'm going to go for a breakthrough. Because once your mind says, I'm going to go for a breakthrough, then your body will follow. Like when you're running, your body will follow. Like when I say your body will follow, then you start taking the right actions. So if you are getting these results, right, don't give up. Don't give up and say that, it's not working, so I'm going to go ahead and change. But all I'm suggesting you to consider doing is probably increase the volume of what you do, right? If you're able to increase the volume, you may see a different result. So there's something I want to share with you in terms of how you break through your ceiling for your business. A short one. If you like this video, feel free to like it, and feel free to leave your comments. And of course, if you know of any friends who are running their own business as well, and sometimes they got stuck and so on, feel free to share this video with them. With that said, it's Patrick here. I look forward to see you